Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show how to create suspension rigging in Autodesk Maya 2020. So go to create polygon primitives, take a polygon cylinder, scale the cylinder just like this, move it up, press F on your keyboard to focus, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and move it up, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, go to top view, scale the second cylinder just like this or duplicated cylinder just like this, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, again go to perspective view, move the cylinder up and scale it just like this. Now select all, go to modify, freeze transformation, again go to create polygon primitives, take a helix, scale the helix just like this, move it up. Now on channel box, change helix radius to 0.1, wide, decrease the wide just like this, move it up, increase the height, increase coil number. Now go to edit, duplicate special, open option box, edit, reset the setting, click duplicate input graph, click duplicate special, open the polyhelix to attribute on channel box, decrease the height just like this and make it just like this. Now move it down. Now select the two helix, go to modify, freeze transformation, again go to modify, reset transformation. Now first select the second helix, shift select the first helix, change modeling menu to rigging menu, go to deform, select blend shape, open blend shape 1 and increase the number just like this. Now select the polyhelix 2, Ctrl plus H to hide the polyhelix. Now go to side view, turn on wireframe on shaded mode, first select the first cylinder, press D or insert key on your keyboard to edit the pivot point, press V and move it to the lower end or snap it to the lower end, again press D or insert key. Now select the cylinder 2, press D or insert key, press V and snap the pivot point just here, again press D or insert key. Now again go to perspective view, first select the polyhelix 1, shift select the cylinder 1, press P to parent it. Now first select the cylinder 2, shift select the Now first select the cylinder 1, shift select the cylinder 2, go to constraint, aim, open aim option, reset the setting, select maintain offset, click apply. Again first select the cylinder 2, shift select the cylinder 1, again click aim, click apply, close the aim option. Now go to front view, go to create measure tool, select distance tool, click 1 point here and 1 point here. Now again go to perspective view, first select the distance tool upper locker 1 or upper this side, shift select the cylinder 2, again go to constraint, open point constraint option, reset the setting, click on this box maintain offset, click apply. Again select the lower point, shift select the cylinder 1, again click apply, with click on the maintain offset, close the point constraint option box. Now select all of this, go to Windows, node editor, click on this icon input output connection. Now move the blend shape here, distance dimension shape here, press tab key on your keyboard and type set, select set range. Now go to Windows, general editor, open connection editor, select the set range, click reload right, and on the left select distance dimension shape 1, go down, select distance, click value, select value X, again select the set range, reload it right and select the blend shape and reload it left. Select the set range 1, reload it left and select the blend shape, reload it right, select out value X and weight select polyhelix 2. Now minimize the window, again open node editor, select set range 1, open attribute editor or press Ctrl+A to open attribute editor, just copy the value, Ctrl+C, click continue and paste it on old max, Ctrl+V, press enter and see the effect. Now on minimum type 1, select the upper point, select move tool, move it down just like here. Again select set range 1, copy the value and paste it old minimum, press enter. Now close the node editor and connection editor, again select the point 1 and move it up and see the effect. This is called suspension rigging. select the lower point, move and see the effect. Now select the, this is the end of the suspension rigging. This is how you can create suspension rigging in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, share on my video.